integration. So what will you do? Combine like terms. So meaning to say, you combine like terms, dx to x, y to y. So you just cross multiply. What will happen? You cross multiply. So dy, the partner of dy is y. Okay? Equal to dx over x. Okay? So you have that as that one. Okay? So what will you do with that one? Okay? So you have now, if you remember the integral of du over u is equal to ln of u plus c. That is from the formula. So what is the concept now? It is just the same. So therefore, automatically, dy over y is automatic na. When you apply integral, you will learn ln of y equal to ln of x plus, what is your c? Since this one is ln, you also apply c to be ln of c. So this is the answer.